welcome back to Dirt Bike Magazine's video series, Premix, where it's all two strokes all the time. Today, we're gonna take a look at a really unique build that we haven't ever done before. It's a 2019 TM250. Now, we're not gonna go crazy in depth on performance on this bike. This project was all about bolt-on items. So no major changes were done internally to the motor. It was all to showcase what TM USA is doing working with aftermarket manufacturers here in the US and abroad. The first items that jump out at you on this build is the carbon fiber. There's carbon fiber pieces everywhere from Extreme Carbron. Faster USA built a set of custom wheels. TM Racing USA works directly with Pro Circuit in designing the exhaust system, and all of this stuff is available directly through TM Racing USA. Lanier suspension dialed in the suspension for our particular need on this motorcycle, trying to get an overall plush feel, but still give us that hold up so the suspension doesn't blow through the stroke and bottom really easily. Other bolt-on items included on this build are arc folding levers, a TM Designs rear chain guide, Pro X rear sprocket, a moto seat gripper seat cover, Galfer brake rotors, Dunlop tires, and neck and bars. Well, that's enough talking. It's time to go ride this thing. Because we didn't do anything major internally to this build, we were really surprised by the change in the power band that the Pro Circuit pipe and silencer brought. It actually broadened the power band out a little bit more, gave it a lot more mid and top, whereas the stock system was all about bottom end and you had to short shift the bike more. So now you can let it rev out a little bit more and have a little bit more fun on it. Lanier did a great job on the suspension. The bike sticks to the ground now, doesn't have any harsh feel. The shock does take a little bit more dialing in. It's the shock that is built in-house by TM. But overall, we're really happy with the way the bike looks and the way the bike performs. For the full in-depth test on this machine, check out an upcoming issue of Dirt Bike Magazine. And as always, head over to dirtbikemagazine.com for the latest off-road and moto industry news. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the new stuff we're releasing.